This is the Anvil Horn 45 from Big Agnes. Designed for summer backpacking, the Hoodless Construction, water-resistant down insulation, and lightweight make it usable as an overbag in cold conditions as well. This bag uses 650 fill down tech insulation. We all know that down feathers have the best warmth to weight ratio of any insulating material. Some of us also know, thanks to uniformly soggy experiences, that down loses its ability to insulate when it gets wet. The feathers of down tech have been treated with a water-repellent, antimicrobial, and antibacterial substance. There's a lot of fancy engineering involved, but the bottom line is that water-resistant down will stay drier longer than untreated down. It will still eventually get wet, but it dries out faster than untreated down. Outside, a polyester ripstop shell has a water-repellent treatment to bolster the moisture protection. Inside, there's a comfortable taffeta polyester lining. This crisscrossing baffle design minimizes cold spots by keeping the down insulation from moving around. The Anvil Horn 45 is lightly insulated on the bottom. This saves weight without sacrificing much warmth because the down underneath you often gets compressed and loses its effectiveness. This is an important point. To get maximum performance from this sleeping bag, you'll need to use a sleeping pad rated to the appropriate temperature. To help with this requirement, the bag has a built-in flex pad sleeve to accommodate Big Agnes sleeping pads 20 to 25 inches wide. Inside, the bag features a Roomy Foot Box, a draft collar, and a draft tube to prevent your warmth from sneaking out of the bag. There are internal loops to help you use a bag liner. On the outside, a zipper has anti-snag technology and a nice little garage to hang out in. There are loops for hang drying or storing your bag. This bag is available in regular, which fits 5'10", and long, which fits up to 6'6". Each sleeping bag includes both a polyester ripstop stuff sack and a mesh storage sack. This bag is designed for warm weather adventures, but the waterproof down, rectangular shape, and draft blockers also give it extended life as an overbag in cold conditions. It's the Big Agnes Anvil Horn 45-degree sleeping bag.
Call us with your questions.
Or visit our store at backcountryedge.com.
Subscribe to stay tuned.
And follow us for the latest in outdoor gear, great deals, and trail knowledge.
We're the gear specialists at Backcountry Edge.
Awesome gear, amazing service.
See you on the trail.